because the book says we shall do it once more. And the little subheading under division is writing quotients with mixed numbers. Writing quotients as mixed numbers. You could also say that this is basically saying that you will not have remainders. Remainders is kind of a lower math kind of thing, and you guys are getting to that level where you're not lower math than people anymore, you are higher math than people. And here is an example. If I'm dividing 3 into 50, and I need to write my remainder as a fraction, as a mixed number, how would that look? Well, ladies and gentlemen, you do your normal division until you get to the remainder part, just like normal. How many times does 3 go into 5? Once, Mr. Hahn, sure, I like that. Subtract, you get 2, bring down the 0. How many times does 3 go into 20, Chase Logan?
6 times.
6 times, and that's 18. I do my subtracting. I get 2 left over there, but I'm not allowed, if I'm told to write my remainder or write my quotient as a mixed number, you're not allowed to have remainder 2. What do I do with that little gem of a 2, Leighton Purdue?
We take the 2 and put the 3 on the bottom.
Exactly. 2 goes on top with the divisor on the bottom, which I don't know how many of you got that wrong on your paper today. You need to know the parts of a division problem because they'll ask you, this is the divisor, this is the answer to a division problem is called the quotient. And this little guy stuck underneath the little box is the dividend. We went over that a long time ago. This is divisor. So they very much will ask you lots of times to give your answer as mixed numbers, not as remainders. Here's another one. A 15-foot long board is cut into 4 parts. A 15-foot board is cut into 4 equal parts. How long is each part? So what am I going to do here? Who thinks they got a good idea? Brian? First thing I'm going to do is, first of all, let me tell you, I see a lot of words there. And anytime I see a lot of words, yeah, I'm trying to sketch it out because it'll give you a good idea. You have a 15-foot long piece of board. I'm going to draw my nice little board as best I can. Look at this. Should we give it like grains? Make a little knot in it. This board is 15 feet long. What am I doing to it? Cutting it into 4 equal parts. Well, there's my picture. What type of problem is this then? Anytime you're cutting something into equal parts, Lauren, it is. So who? It is a division part. So I'm going to take my 15-foot piece of board and cut it into 4 equal parts. Which means I'm going to get what? 4 goes into 15 3 times. And again, there's no such thing as a remainder 3 of a foot. So what do I do with that 3, Joseph?
Put it on top of the 4.
Yep. It's 13 and 3. Each piece will be 3 3/4 of a foot. 3 3/4 of a foot. What do you think? Exciting? Very exciting. How about one more for you? What if you have 31/8, and I ask you to make that, divide that out, give me my answer as a mixed number. What would you get? 31/8 as a mixed number is 31/8 as a mixed number. As a mixed number. Everybody get you to do that. Jacob Homerding says,
3 and 7.
well, let's check. Yeah, 3 7/8. 8 goes into 31. 4 times would be too big, so 3 times is 32. I'm sorry, 3 is 24. 24 from 31 is 7. I can't write it as a remainder of 7, so I take the 7 and put it over there. It is 3 7/8. Any problems, questions, concerns? Think you got a handle on it? Has the break been too long? Should I ask Ms. Lopez next year to shorten the break by a week or so?